Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can reverse a string in Java. So let's get started. We'll be receiving this program or question in many interviews, and if you are a student, even your academic exams as well. So the process is simple. I'll show you a simple process of how you can reverse a string through Java. I have created a class in my IDE. I'm currently using Spring Toolsuit. Because I have some Spring projects as well, so instead of going for Eclipse, I went for Spring Toolsuit. So I'll just create a method called reverse string. I'll print the string reverse. So actual string I'll pass. This is the actual string to be reversed. Then uh, then I'll type the reverse string equal to reverse string. So generally the method names will be giving in camel case, and I'll be passing the actual string as the parameter for this reverse string. So as I don't have any method with this name, it is giving me the warning. So I'll use the IDE to create the method. So you can see the method is created by clicking on the warning. So now I have the string, and I'll reverse it and return it now. So there are two ways. I want to return the string now. So in interviews, mostly they'll not be asking you to return it. They'll be asking you to print it. So the procedure is more or less the same. I'll just show you both of that. So I'll be typing result here. So result will be okay. Then what I'll do is I'll iterate. As I write the program, mostly you'll be able to figure out what I am doing. If you did not, then I'll give an explanation while writing, as well as the whole thing is done. So now what I'm doing is I'm iterating over the string. So I'll iterate this from the last. So what I'll do is, because I want to print the reverse, I'll iterate it from the last. So if you are not sure on how to iterate from the last, so generally if an array, if we have to print or iterate through for loop, we will start from I equal to 0 and iterate till the length of the array. This string also we are considering something like that. So if I have to do the reverse, then I have to give I as the length, and I have to iterate till 0th index, and I'll decrement the array index each for each iteration by 1, so that I can iterate till the end from the last. So if now what I'll do is I'll be appending the value using caret. So now you can see, if I return the result and if I print it, the actual string is plus actual string reversed string is reverse string. Just tab out so that, so now I'll save this and I'll run like Java application. So if you can see, this is the actual string to be reversed and this is the reversed string. So we got the output on how to reverse a string. So now we'll see how it is implemented and how to improve over this. So you can see what we are doing here is exactly, so we are iterating the string to be reversed from last. So what I'm doing is, the length of the actual string is this, from the length of this string. So for example, consider this is 100. So what I'm doing is, I'm assigning the index to 100 minus 1, because the string index starts from 0, similar to an array. So if I give 100 and if I do caret of 100, then it will be string out of bound exception. Out of bound exception will come. So if you see, I'll just give you a demo. I'll remove this. And you can see string index out of bound exception comes. So we have to start from -1. This is similar to array. So I am starting from the last character with the index equal to the length, because the whole length, the index of this last character will be equal to length -1, because it starts from 0. Otherwise it will be equal to the length, and from there I'm traversing one by one element, D, E, like that. So if you can see, so first D will be printed, then E, then S, then space, like that all the characters will be printed from the last. So this way we are reversing the string. So as I've already told you, how can we improve over it? So if you can see, we are using string for concatenation here. If you are aware, string is immutable. So anytime you concatenate it, a new string will be created. But we don't need that. So what I'll do is, instead of having it as string, I'll make it as string builder. So there are two other concepts, string builder and string buffer. We don't need string buffer because this is not a multi-threaded application. I'll just go for string builder. Result string equal to new string builder. Okay, now what I'll do is, I'll string builder dot append. So there is an append method already in string builder to append with the previous one. So now I'll return result string dot toString. So now if I run it, the result will be same. So instead of using string here, I can use string builder, because string builder is a mutable. So if you make a change to string builder, it will not create a new string. So this way, this is improved. So now if you can also see, the time complexity of this operation is big of n. So how the length of the string determines the length of this program. So this way you can reverse a string in Java. We'll discuss more methods through streams in coming programs. So this is a simple program to reverse a string. So in coming video we'll see how you can reverse just second half of a string. So we'll see that in a next video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any queries with this program, then let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day. And one more thing, I'll upload all these programs to the GitHub repository, and I'll leave those link and related article links in the below YouTube description, like below video description. You can check them out. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never do.